How to play Brawl Stars on your PC with keyboard and mouse. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up your browser and search for BlueStacks. After that, open up the very first link, as this will redirect you to the compatible downloadable file for the BlueStacks according to your device, and this is where it will take you. And you can just simply download BlueStacks from here, and after that install it quite easily. And it will also show you the steps on how you can install it and launch it according to your device. Since I'm doing it on a Mac, that's why it is showing the steps for the MacBook for me. After BlueStacks is installed on your device, make sure that you log in or sign in to your Google account in BlueStacks, and after that search for Brawl Stars. Otherwise, if you search for Brawl Stars before signing in, you might not be able to find Brawl Stars. I don't know why is it so, but that's how it was for me. And after I logged into my account using my Gmail account, I was able to search for Brawl Stars and it appeared. After that, I can just simply click on this option of install, and this way I would be able to play it quite easily. But before doing that, you can simply go to the settings over here and make sure that you select the appropriate settings according to your device. If you are quite confident about your device, then just simply increase these stats. Like, if you are quite confident about the frame rate, then you can just simply enable it from here and increase the frame rate from 60 to 120, as in Brawl Stars 120 is allowed, so you can just simply do that. Otherwise, if your device is not that great, then just simply keep it at 60 and just simply change these options as well according to your device's need. And after that, click on this option of save changes. Then you can also do the similar thing for the display option over here and make changes according to your device's preferences or the specifications. If you have high RAM or GPU, simply use it for your advantage. Like on the graphics section, you can simply select it accordingly, and after that just simply save these changes and get back, install the Brawl Stars and play it up. And this is how easy it is to play the Brawl Stars on your PC. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.